Good morning, students, and welcome you to this English class. Today, it is totally different that you are going to appear in a test. I want to see during these days how much you have learned and how much you have studied. You have learned how much you have learned and how much you have studied. If you go through the test, then you will find out your ability. So prepare by yourself in the both ways, physically and mentally. It is not the formality, but I want to share you that you will find out your own talent, and this will grow your knowledge, your ability, writing skill, and also understand and learn to understand the question pattern. Okay, and here I have kept some different type of question. So question pattern is different, and for that pattern I have kept separate marks. Okay, so students, this is my request to all of you. While you are appearing in this test, please be ready with this. What is that? A pencil, a sharpener, an eraser, along with one blank sheet paper. Once again, I want to inform you: a pencil, a sharpener, an eraser, along with one blank sheet paper. Why you need or why you want blank sheet paper, I will show you. Okay, so here I will show you the question. Okay, now look at the screen. Look at here. On the top of the page, it is written test paper 1, because it is first time you are going to appear in the test. So here it is test paper 1. Then class. Which class you belong to? Class 4th. Okay, in which class you belong to, or in which class you studying? Class 4th. Then subject. What is the subject? English 2. Okay. On the right side of this page, you can see at the corner, below the corner, maximum mark is 20. That means the question pattern is based on 20 marks. Okay, and here it is written duration. What is the duration? The duration is 45 minutes. That means in 45 minutes you will complete all the question pattern, or all the answer of this question. Okay, so here now I will read the question number 1. What is that? Write in one word answer. Question 1 is a one word answer. How you write? A young male horse. What is a young male horse called? That means, okay. Number 2, a female horse. Write in one word. What do you call a female horse? Number 2, circle the correct spelling. So here there are two words are there. So which one is correct? You supposed to find out. Okay, question number 1. Darky was a dash on Farmer Gray's farm. Okay, this one has erased. Once again, Darky was dash on Farmer Gray's. Here it is apostrophic S. Here after Gray's apostrophic here it is apostrophic S after Gray's. Okay, Gray's farm. So the options are COLT, colt, and COULT, colt. So which one is correct? The number 2. Will you go to the library this dash? Here it is weekend, there also weekend. So which one is correct? You will find out. Then question number 3. Write suitable question for this statement. These are the statements, and you will make their question. Okay, suppose I am a boy. I am a boy. So how you will form the question? Who are you? Like that. Or my name is Rahul. What's your name? What is your name? Like this way you will find out the question pattern. Number 1, Darky's master was a famous grey. Number 2, we went out for dinner. Okay, you find out the question pattern. Then question number IB, make new word using this letter from these words. So using these letters, here it is farmer, here it is horse. So you will change or exchange the word to form two different word. Okay, not exchange, you can change the word only, not exchange, sorry. So you can change the word and form here new different words, two. For farmer is here and for horse is here. Okay, then question number B, read these sentences and answer. So here there are two question or two sentence. For this sentence, two sentence, there are two more question. So here first it is there, be good while I go to work for farmer's grey. Be good while I go to work for farmer grey. What is the question? Who was farmer grey? Question number A, who was farmer grey? Question number B, whom did the speaker say this to? Whom did the speaker say this to? Then question number 2, this is the last time you trouble my horse. This is the last time you trouble my horse. So what is the question? Question number A, why did the speaker say this? Why did the speaker say this? And question number B, what did the speaker ask the other person to do after this? What did the speaker ask the other person to do after this? Okay, finished. Now last question. Here question number 6, answer this question. So here question number 1, who was Black Beauty? Who was Black Beauty and where did he live? Where did he live? Then question number 2, why did Farmer Grey send Darky to another farm? Why did Farmer Grey send Darky to another farm? So dear students, the question is over. Now listen me carefully. The instruction now I am going to give you. So look at here and listen me carefully. First thing, look at here. Please bring out a blank sheet paper. On the top of that page you write test paper 1, class, then subject. Okay, after after finishing this one, you write here your name, the right side. Okay, right side of the top of the page, your name and your roll number. Okay, your name and your roll number, your old roll number. Okay, after that now you first note down the question, this question on the blank sheet paper. Question number I, question number I, V and VI, the last question. Okay, you note down in your paper exactly, you note down here. Then next, what is next? So which one is possible to write the answer on the same page? So you write the answer here. If it is a space is here, then you can do there. So here up to which one is correct, you can choose. Then how to form the question, this one, or if there is space, then you can follow here. Okay, then this one also you can write here. But the question answer, this question answer, it is not possible to write after question and write answer after the question. Okay, so here it is difficult. So for this purpose you will write the answer the next piece of you can write the answer on the other side of that page. Okay, so here then how to write on the other side of this page? You just note down at the top, yes, on the top, answer, ANSWER, answer. You can write here answer. Okay, like this. After finishing, then when you are writing the answer of which number, suppose you are writing the answer of number I, so put I, then which number? Number 1. A young male horse is called dash. So here your answer number 2. Here is your answer. Suppose you are writing the answer number IV. Write the number IV, then number 1. What were the word you have formed? 1 and 2. For then number 2. So like this way you can write the answer. Okay, I think you have understood. And do one thing, students, while you are writing the answer of this question, please call your parents, maybe your father or mother who is there. You call them and make them to sit in front of you, and they will call your parents to sit in front of you, and they can watch you, they can watch over you, then how you are doing. Okay, and this is my kind request to all our parents. Please, you share your hands with your children, call your children, maybe boy or girl, whoever it is, call them and make them to sit in front of you, and you just look after them, how they are doing and how she or he is doing. It gives them a beautiful chance that they can grow their knowledge, they can improve their handwriting, even they could learn more things from this question pattern. And here from each question I kept separate mark. Okay, question number 1, write in one word, there is 2 mark. There is 2 mark. Then question number IA, there is 2 mark. Question number III, there is 2 mark. Question number IV, there is 2 mark. Question number 5th, there is answer this sentence, there is 8 mark. And question number 6th, answer this, there is 4 mark. So your total mark is 20. So out of 20, how much you are getting and how much marks you have collected, that is depend on you. Okay, students, I hope you have understood, and I also believe that our parents will our parents also, they cooperate me and other teacher, then how to form and how to conduct this test. So dear students, may God bless you and give you a healthy life. And I believe you follow the instruction very carefully and try to note down in the blank sheet paper and try to find out the answer. Okay, thank you. May God bless you.